The court ruled unanimously today that the NCAA can't enforce its rules that limit education-related benefits, computers, paid internships, travel, things of that sort, that colleges offer to student athletes. And primarily, we're talking about Division I college basketball and football players, the big revenue generating sports. This is not a case that deals with whether student athletes can be paid. Although there was one justice on the court, Brett Kavanaugh, who made a pretty strong argument about how under the laws of antitrust, that a case about actually paying student athletes maybe would come out the same way, at least in his view. He said that the bottom line is that the NCAA and the colleges that are part of the NCAA suppress pay for student athletes who are responsible for generating billions of dollars in revenues for those colleges every year. And in Kavanaugh's view, those enormous sums of money flow to seemingly everyone except the student athletes. The NCAA, had said that it feared that a decision against it would really blur the line between professional and amateur athletes, because colleges would then have to try to lure the most talented athletes coming out of high school by offering, thousands of dollars worth of these perks. The NCAA also, I think, is looking here at a kind of a slippery slope argument, which is that if it can't enforce its rules against these additional benefits, these sweeteners, as we've been saying, then it might be harder down the line to defend its rules against actually paying student athletes. Now, again, that's not an issue the Supreme Court decided today, and it remains to be seen how that case would come out if it ever gets to the Supreme Court.